Hi guys, welcome back. So if you are yet to watch the previous video on how to complete your KYC on Redbelly Network, please find the link in the description of this video or comment section and watch it complete task before starting this one. So I am in Redbelly Network Discord server and we want to claim test token. So I'll first head over to Testnet Faucet channel. I'm going to use the command /faucet. I will tap on wallet, then paste my testnet wallet address. I will then send this, and this gives me 20 RBNT tokens. Afterwards, I'll go back and then visit Testnet multi-faucet channel. And then I'm going to be claiming the secondary tokens one by one. So I'm going to start with DAI. I will use /DAI, RDAI. I will tap on address, then paste my testnet address. I will send it to get DAI token. I'll do this again /RUSDC. I will tap on address, then paste my testnet address. Then I'm going to send the command. And lastly, I'm going to use / again, RUSDT. I will tap on address, then paste my testnet address, then send the command. And you can as well just use this for RBNT /RBNT to get 1 RBNT token from this faucet. So now that we have test tokens, we can now get started with the testnet interactions. I'm going to my Sys browser and then I'm going to paste the link to Galx to start completing tasks one after the other. I'll tap on the first task so that I can see the task instruction. So the first 2 tasks they are all social tasks. That is to follow Redbelly on Twitter and also join their Telegram channel. I have been following them for a while, so that is verified already. And then the last one is to join them on Discord. I am also on their Discord server, so I just verified that and I am going to claim the oath and points. So this quest is done. I'll move on to the next one. So the first and second task is also simple to complete. Watch YouTube video and then visit the access page, of which we have done before. So I'm just going to pause my recorder, then come back once I have watched the video and accessed the page. And then lastly, get yourself verified using their access page. We have done that and we have enabled our wallet for testnet, so I just verified that. I will claim the oath and point. I'll move on to the next quest. Interact with RaiHomes app. So the first thing that we want to do here is to buy a property using testnet tokens on RaiHomes, and the second one is to give a review. So let's do the first one. So to get started, you have to connect your MetaMask wallet. So after connecting wallet, what we want to do next is to find a property to buy. So I am going to do a bit of looking around until I see a property that is a bit cheaper, under 10 RBNT, so that I won't exhaust everything that I just claimed. So I have seen one downtown shop and I'm going to tap on the buy button. I'll confirm this transaction in my wallet. Property successfully purchased. Now you can also scroll to the bottom and then leave a review, but before we do that, let's go back to Galx and verify this first one. Task verified. Now I'll move on to the second one, which is to leave a review on any property. It could be yours, it could be another person's property. So I'll go back to Right Homes. Under the property I just bought, I'm going to write a review. You can write anything that you want. And after writing your review, also make sure to leave a star, a number of star, any amount of star of your choice that you would like to give to the property. So it could be 5 star, 4 star, whatever it is that you want. Leave star, because if you only write text and no star, your review will not go through. Then tap on submit, and then you have to confirm this interaction as well in your wallet. Review successfully added. I'll go back to Galx and verify this interaction as well. Task verified. Then I am going to claim the oath and points. I'll then move on to the next quest. Redbelly Partnership Quest. So the first task here is to be a Reddex space user. So how do we find Reddex to follow them on Galx? I tapped on the task and it brought me to this description, and what I did next is to tap on Reddex, their username right here. By tapping on that, it takes you to Reddex profile on Galx, and all you need to do is to hit the follow button. So I am now following Reddex on Galx. I will go back to the task and then verify it. Task verified. The next one is a social task, which is to follow Reddex on Twitter. So I'll just pause recorder, go to Twitter, follow them, and then come back. So I have done that, and I'll verify the task now. Completed. I'll move on to the next one, check liquid balance. And what do we have to do here? We simply need to swap some RBNT into LQDX token. So I have tapped on the link in the task instruction. It takes you to Reddex website, and what you need to do, connect your MetaMask wallet. Now in the first drop down where you see Ethereum, tap on it and then change it to Redbelly. Then in the second drop down where you have Ethereum, tap on it and still change it to Redbelly. And as for the token on the receiver token, you are going to tap on it and then change it to LQDX. Now indicate the amount of RBNT that you would like to swap for LQDXT. Click on transfer and then complete the transaction in your wallet. Transaction successful, and having done that, we'll go back to Galx and then verify the task. Task verified. The last two tasks are both social tasks, and that is to join Reddex on Telegram as well as Discord. So I'll pause my recorder, get that done, then come back and verify the task. So both tasks have been verified, and I am going to claim the oath and 1 point. Rewards have been claimed. I'll move on to the next quest. Take insurance of property on Ride Homes tab. So the requirement here is to buy insurance for your property on Ride Homes. So I'll go back to Ride Homes or simply just tap on that link. So what do you want to do here? Tap on the menu button at the middle top, then tap on insurance. So as you can see, at this very moment I have not purchased any insurance yet. It says please buy insurance. So I only have one asset, and that is the downtown shop. In the drop down for days, I'm going to choose the number of days in which I want the insurance to last for. Using the slider is actually pointless because I only have one asset, so there is nothing that I want to choose from aside the one asset I have. So I'm going to leave that, and then I'm going to tap on check premium to see how much this insurance is going to cost me. The insurance fee have been calculated, then I'll tap on pay premium to complete the transaction. Insurance have been successfully purchased. Now if you scroll back to the top of the site, you'll see the insurance details on my asset. Now that we have purchased insurance, I'll go back to Galx and I'll verify the task. Task completed. I'll claim the oath and point. I'll move on to the next quest. Lend and borrow against real-world assets. If you claimed faucet on Discord, then you should be able to verify the first 3 tasks without doing anything else, because we are holding the 3 tokens. The third one is yet to be verified. I'll leave that and then move on to the next one. So what do we need to do here? We need to swap some RBNT token into USD3. So I'll tap on the task. It takes you to Liquid Crypto Finance, and if this website is not loading on your end, you may want to make use of a VPN. Connect your MetaMask wallet. And now I am going to tap on that LQDXT drop down, and then I'm going to change it into USD3. I'll choose USD3 among the options here. I'll indicate the amount of RBNT that I want to swap into USD3. I'll tap on the swap button and then confirm the transaction in my wallet. Transaction successful. I am going to change that USD3 into A3A as well. I'm going to tap on that drop down, and then from the list I'm going to search for A3A and then choose that. And that is 3A utility token. That's A3A. And again, I am going to swap some RBNT for A3A. I'll tap on swap, then complete the transaction in my wallet. Transaction successful. Now I will go back to Galx and then verify the 2 tasks that we have completed. You hold USD3 token and you hold A3A token have both been verified. So in the next task, we want to claim some tokenized gold from Faucet. So I'm going to tap on the link. So connect your wallet and then scroll to the bottom of the page, and where you see select a collateral, tap on that drop down, and then we're going to start with tokenized treasury bonds. Then tap on claim Faucet tokens. Faucet have been claimed successfully. Then I'm going to tap on that drop down again. And then I'm going to choose tokenized gold this time. Then I will tap on claim Faucet tokens. Faucet claimed successfully. Then I'll go back to Galx and then verify the next 2 tasks. Okay, so the next one is yet to be verified. I'll move on to the next task. Create a vault on 3A DAO. So I'll tap on the task or simply return to the previous website. I'll tap on the sidebar menu. And then I am going to tap on Vault. I'll tap on Create New Vault. Now to create a new vault, the first thing you want to do is to choose your collateral. So I tapped on that drop down, then choose tokenized gold as my collateral. And I am going to indicate the amount of tokenized gold that I want to use as my collateral. So I have a total of 0.1 tokenized golds, but I am not going to use the entire amount. So I'm just going to add 0.001. And when you choose your collateral amount, you are eligible to borrow USD against your collateral amount. So I am eligible to borrow up to 2 USD, but I am only going to borrow 1. And I'm going to scroll to the bottom, then tap on Create Your New Vault. I'll approve the creation in my wallet. Then I'm going to tap on Sign Transaction and then confirm the transaction in my wallet. Now I'll go back to Galx and then I'll verify this task. And actually we have used one stone to kill 2 birds. Not only did we create a vault, but we also supplied collateral in tokenized gold. So I'm just going to verify the last task here. All tasks have been completed and verified. I'll claim the oath and point. Rewards have been claimed, so I'll move on to the next quest. Wrap Rai Homes property. So let's go back to Rai Homes, or simply tap on that link in the description. We are back on Rai Homes, and I'm going to tap on the menu button at the middle top of the screen. And then I'm going to tap on Wrap Property. In the first drop down, I'll choose the property that I want to wrap. I only have one, so I'll choose Downtown Shop. In the second drop down, I'll choose one. Then I'm going to tap on Wrap Property. Property successfully wrapped, and then I'm going to proceed to unwrap my property. So in the second drop down, I have just chosen my property. In the drop down for amount, I'll choose 1, and then I'm going to tap on unwrap property. And then I'll confirm this transaction in my wallet. Property successfully unwrapped. I'll go back to Galx and then verify this task. Task completed. I am going to claim the oath and point. I'll then move on to the next quest. Buy and stake Tesla share. So the first task here is for you to swap some RBNT token to Tesla token. So I'm going to tap on the task. I'll tap on that link. I'm going to connect my wallet, and I am going to look for Tesla among the list of tokens here. I'll indicate the amount of RBNT that I want to swap for Tesla. I'll scroll to the bottom, then tap on swap, and then confirm the transaction in my wallet. Transaction successful. I'll go back to Galx. I'll verify this task. Task verified. Then I'll move on to the next one, which is to stake Tesla shares in a vault. I'll tap on the link. I'll tap on the sidebar menu. I'll tap on Vault. I'll tap on Create New Vault. In the drop down for collateral, I'll tap on it, and then I am going to choose Tesla shares. I'll indicate the amount of my Tesla shares that I want to deposit as collateral in this vault. Then I am going to indicate the amount of USD that I would like to borrow against this collateral. I can borrow up to 0.83 USD, but I'll be borrowing 0.4. Then I'll scroll to the bottom and then tap on create your new vault. I'll approve this transaction in my wallet. And I am going to tap on sign transaction. And then I'll confirm this transaction in my wallet. Vault created and Tesla shares staked. I'll go back to Galx to verify the task. Task completed. I'll claim the oath and 10 points. Rewards claimed. Then I will move on to the last task on Redbelly Network Testnet. Collateralize property tokens and borrow RBNT on RWA Homes. So I'm going to tap on the first task, which is to collateralize our property on RWA Homes. I'll click on the link. We are back on RWA Homes. I'm going to connect my wallet and then tap on the menu on the middle top. And I'm going to tap on borrow. Allow the page to finish loading so that you can see all buttons. So we have the supply button now, and I am going to tap on supply. So I only have one property, and that is Downtown Shop. I'm going to tap on that drop down, choose one, then I'm going to approve using Downtown Shop as collateral. I will approve in my wallet. The approval is successful. Now I am going to tap on supply and then confirm the transaction in my wallet. So I just successfully collateralized my Downtown Shop on RWA Homes. Now I'm going to move on to the second part, and that is to borrow some RBNT tokens against my Downtown Shop collateral. So I am going to adjust the slider until I am satisfied with the number of tokens that I want to borrow. As always, I do not like borrowing the full amount, so I am going to borrow 2.1 RBNT and then confirm the transaction in my wallet. So I have successfully collateralized my property on RWA Homes and also borrowed some loan in RBNT. So I'll go back to Galx and I'll verify the two tasks. Tasks completed. I am going to claim oath. Reward claimed successfully, and this is how you complete the testnet on Redbelly Network. So I have been trying to get past the verification for this testnet like 3-4 months ago, and after several unsuccessful attempts, I just left it out of annoyance. Then a couple of days ago, I tried this again and it worked. And I heard that it is going to come to an end in 2 weeks from now. So if you really want to do this testnet, I am going to advise to get to work as soon as possible. Complete your KYC verification and complete the testnet tasks. There is nothing else to do aside this GAGs interaction. And if there is any other update on Redbelly Network, join our Telegram channel so that you won't miss out on any information concerning this testnet. If you have any question, drop me a comment in the comment section of this video. And if you know you have found value from watching this Redbelly Network testnet tutorial, then do like this video so that the algorithm can push it to many other people to watch this video. And stay subscribed to this channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching. I will see you in another tutorial.